Hey YouTube, good morning. Markel here, back with another video. So I'm using the Boya microphone. So this is the sound quality, using it on my DJI Action 2. Let's get this video started. Alright guys, so this is the setup that I have for this microphone, using it on my DJI Osmo Action 2. I recently picked up this microphone from Amazon, and I'll have the price of what I paid for it up here. And it's a decent microphone, using it with the DJI Osmo Action 2. Now the only issue I've had is when I use it outside, when it's not in a setting like this outside, because it's omnidirectional, it doesn't work very well because it picks up a lot of sound on the outside and it enhances your voice. At least it does through the DJI Osmo Action 2. So when you hear it on playback, it's very loud, it's very staticky. And I'll give you guys an example of that.
Monday through Friday, 3 in the afternoon till 10:30. Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 10:30. So 2-hour difference on the weekend. So you gotta be at least 5 years old to enter. So the parking was 5 mil peso.
And it's very staticky because it was windy out there, and it just enhanced my voice, and it made it unusable in the video I recently did about looping park. So for me, it's okay in a setting like this. And I'll do a quick unboxing to show you guys what all comes with it. You know, you get the box, you get the insert that holds the microphone. The wind muff comes underneath, and then it's just a microphone and the wind muff, and that's it. There's no batteries, no cords, no nothing. It's a Type-C microphone, which at first I thought I could use it with all of my Type-C devices, but it doesn't work that way. It works okay with cell phones. I tried it on the Z Flip, the S21 Ultra, and the Pixel 6 Pro. It's okay. I think the Pixel 6 Pro sounds much better without it. So did the S21 Ultra. On the Z Flip 4, it was decent. On my Surface Duo, it didn't work at all. On my iPad Pro M1 and the, I forgot which bionic chip is in my 2018 iPad Pro, but it didn't work very well on that one either. So there's only certain things that this microphone will work well on. And it actually works decently in a setting like this with my DJI Osmo Action 2. But other than that, man, I would just say if you're looking at buying a microphone for your action camera or for like your cell phone, I would definitely check reviews like this to make sure that whatever device you plan on using it with, it actually works. So it's on the DJI Osmo Action 2, it actually works. But because it's omnidirectional, it's going to pick up a lot of sound around you, and it's just going to enhance your voice even more, and it's going to make it very statically. I don't know of a way to go in to change the volume on the DJI Osmo 2. If someone knows, please leave a comment below. But overall, man, I would just say it's a decent microphone in the right setting. But outside for me, no, I would not use it as a vlogging cam. I would just use the microphones that are already on the DJI Osmo Action 2. And besides, I do more talking head like this using my ZV-1 than I would be trying to vlog outside, which I'm going to take this camera on my next trip to see if I can actually walk and vlog with this, with the ZV-1 and the Zhiyun Crane M2 moving forward. But with that being said, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.